It's time to dump those mystery bags of artificial food coloring and high fructose corn syrup in favor of a homemade strawberry pie glaze you can put on any of your favorite summer desserts without so much worry. Let's make my version today. Start out by washing, removing the stems, and chunking up your strawberries. You're gonna need about 1.5 cups total, or you can use an entire 16-ounce package if you want to. That'll work just fine. Throw those into the bowl of a food processor and pulse them up until they're a really nice, smooth puree. That may take 30 seconds to a minute depending on your food processor. You can also use a blender for this if you don't have a food processor. Then into a medium saucepan, add 2/3 cup of honey, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, a pinch of salt, and the juice from half a lemon, and then your strawberry puree. Now, if you don't want the seeds in there, you could certainly strain those out before you poured your puree in, but I leave them in and don't mind them at all. Pour all that in together into the pot and give it a good stir before you turn the heat on. You want to make sure that you dissolve the cornstarch so that you don't have any lumps in it before the heat turns on. Cook this mixture over medium heat, whisking constantly until the cornstarch is completely dissolved and the mixture thickens, which will take about 6 minutes. Then remove the pot from the heat and transfer the mixture into a bowl to cool to room temperature. You can cover it in plastic wrap and store it in your refrigerator for 2 to 3 days if you need to ahead of time, or use it right away in your favorite recipes. I use mine in my Angel Food Cake Lush, and you're going to want to check that recipe out right here. I'll see you in the next video.